Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to fix controller not working issues in Vampire the Masquerade Bloodlines 2 on PC. Whether you're using an Xbox, PlayStation, Switch, or a generic controller, this step-by-step guide will help you get it working again. Let's get started. Solution 1. Open Steam. Go to your library. Right-click Vampire the Masquerade Bloodlines 2 and select Properties. On the left side, click on the Controller tab. Find Override for Vampire the Masquerade Bloodlines 2 and set it to enable Steam input. Now, launch the game and see if your controller works. If it still doesn't, go back to the same menu and set it to disable Steam input instead. Then test it again. Solution 2. Open Steam again. Click on the Steam button in the top left corner and select Settings. Go to the Controller section. Now make sure you only check what you actually use. If you use an Xbox controller, enable Xbox configuration support or disable it if it's already on and not working. For PlayStation controllers, look for PlayStation controller support and try switching between not enabled and enable in games without support. Do the same for Switch or generic controllers, depending on what you have. You can also install the Xbox Extended Feature Support driver if you're using an Xbox Gamepad and it's not detected properly. Solution 3. Open the Start menu and type Device Manager, then open it. Expand the section Human Interface Devices. Find your gamepad, right-click it, and select Disable Device. After a few seconds, right-click it again and select Enable Device. This refreshes your controller connection in Windows. Solution 4. In Device Manager, right-click your gamepad again. Select Update Driver. Choose Browse My Computer for drivers. Then select Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Choose your controller driver and click Next. Wait for the installation to complete. Then restart your PC and launch the game. Your controller should now work correctly in Vampire the Masquerade Bloodlines 2. And that's it! You've successfully fixed controller issues in Vampire the Masquerade Bloodlines 2 on PC. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment letting me know if it worked for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.